Salam to all, this is FBA Fadime Banu Akbet. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar, Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, bitcoin, and FX. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira increased and made new historical high at 19.67 as we expected. It also made engulfing pattern in not an usual way, so watch out, especially considering the general election to happen on Sunday, May 14 in Türkiye. By the way, if you don't know what this pattern is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it trades above 19.52 level, it shall break 19.59, 19.64 range, and then continue making new historical highs on its way to our second famous target at 26.97. Don't forget the election, which shall lead quite a lot of volatility. Will it rally? Last week, the euro against the dollar closed the week with loss as we expected, and this week, if it stays below 1.0838 level, it may break 1.0799 and then try 1.0755, 1.07 area. Will it turn from here to head back to our 1.2011 target or postpone it until further down supports? Last week, the gold declined as we expected. The close was right above the narrowing triangle, so keep an eye on it. If you don't know what a narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it's below 2004 range, it shall break 1996, 1970 area, and then turn from here to head back to our 2535 target. The resistance is at 2010, 2020 area. Where will it turn from? Last week, the Bitcoin came down as we expected. This week, if it stays below 26,920, 26,300 range, it may break 25,700, 25,105 area, and then try 24,490, 23,850 range to see if any buyers left. Will it need to visit the buyers lower than that? Last week, the Ether came down as expected. This week, if it stays below 1,820 level, it may break 1,770, 1,730 range, and then try 1,669, 1,624 area to see if any buyers left. Will it need to visit the buyers lower than that? Thanks for watching. By the way, do I do anything wrong? Because I'm happy to share my exclusive analysis in total 20 languages for free on a weekly basis, and I hope you benefit. Yet 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. If so, please share it on your comments so I can update myself. If not, I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing. And set the reminder for the upcoming, especially for the premieres on Sundays at midnight. You can support me this way totally for free. And don't forget the clarification of some basic terms I use on my videos or on my Instagram highlights named as terms, so keep up with them. Finally, I'd like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were just in 9 hours and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find the link of my video that has brief information and how you can donate on below the description. Thanks in advance. And final note, I hope the best for my country about the upcoming election. Bye.